Pavel Büchler, a Czech artist, who has done these two loudspeakers, which represent two ships in the North Pole, exchanging between them signals in Morse. They sang a dialogue by Galileo, taken from the two maximum systems, two Massimi Sistemi, two large systems. At his epoch, this was Ptolemaic and Copernican theories. Here in our exhibition we call art and science. But what they both have in common is what Galileo says here, which I will read to you, that says, "Wait a while, Salviati, for in this argument I find so many doubts assailing me on all sides that I shall either have to tell them to you if I want to pay attention to what you are going to say, or withhold my attention in order to remember my doubts." Doubts as the center of the scientific and artistic thinking. "I shall willingly pause," continues Galileo, "for I run the same risk too, and I am on the verge of getting shipwrecked." Again, ships and sea. "At present I sail between rocks and boisterous waves that are making me lose my bearings, as they say. Therefore, before I multiply your difficulties, propound them."